Yvette Boatwright, and in this episode of In the Kitchen with Realty Austin, I'm going to teach you how to make our 5-star guacamole. It is our family recipe. We love making it. People devour it, and these are our special ingredients. So here we go. You get 3 very big, very ripe avocados. You're gonna need a little bit of lemon for taste, a jalapeno in case you want it a little spicy, some tomato for a little veggie, and some fresh cilantro. You're also gonna need garlic. I prefer to just use the easy way, which is garlic in our family. You want to use some salt, some sour cream, and then I also prefer these siete grain-free tortilla chips. They're made, they're the lime flavor. Let's get started. You're gonna want to get a good sized bowl. We're gonna start by cutting our avocados in half. These are good. These are very ripe, perfect. And it's gonna be plenty for about, I would say 5 to 6 people. If you're like our family, we eat a lot of guacamole. So we're gonna get the pits out. This is what I do. You stab them. All right, we're gonna get a spoon, and we're just gonna spoon out this yummy avocado. Done with that. Let's go ahead and cut the lemon. We're gonna cut our tomato now. I like to just cut it in little small squares so you get a little bit of chunkiness in it. You know, people who don't like tomatoes can kind of go around them, scoop around them. And people that do, like me, can go for that little crunch. Okay, and then for cilantro, we're just gonna take a few of the sprigs on the end. Just gonna start pulling them so that we don't get the stalk, just the leaf. I like a bunch like this is good. We gather it all up into one little mound, and you're gonna wanna finely chop it. All right, perfect. We're going to grab our lemon, go ahead and squeeze that in. Just about half is good. And throw our tomatoes in there. Throw our cilantro. Just about a little half a spoonful of garlic is good. Throw some salt in here. Again, you'll just kind of season to taste, so you can wait for the end. And then your sour cream, just a dollop. The best way to mix all of these ingredients we've found, a potato masher. This is your secret weapon for really good guacamole. So you're gonna mash all of your ingredients right up. Make sure nothing escapes. See how this is getting really creamy. Good consistency. Just want to be right on top of a chip in just a couple moments. Like this yummy goodness. Should we give it a taste test? All right, Jonathan.
I'll try it.
Chip.
See how you did with my recipe? You got it with, looks really good. That's really good.
Yeah.
Great job, baby.
5-star?
5-star. 5-star guacamole.
Oh yeah.
Just double dipped.
Don't do that. I've tried to teach him not to do, but he doesn't listen. Next time I'll give him 2 chips. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of In the Kitchen with Realty Austin. Enjoy your 5-star guacamole. Take it to a party and watch people just ooh and ah and rave on your guacamole.
There's no parties right now.
Oh. Well, when there is a party.